Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to enable ad personalization on your Google account. Open your favorite browser. Go to accounts.google.com. In the left sidebar, click on Data Privacy. Scroll down. Under Ad Settings section, click on Ad Personalization. Toggle the button next to Ad Personalization to turn it on. Click on Turn On. That's it. Ad personalization is turned on. You can also disable different types of ads that you don't want to see. You can also personalize your ads based on age, gender, language, and your favorites. This is how you can turn on ad personalization on your Google account. Thank you for watching.